school again back at Hogwarts.
Blimey, Hermione, we just won 10,000 galleons. It was the bet of the century.
I can't believe Victor Krum caught the snitch 10 seconds in.
I know, it was fantastic.
Bulgaria won the Quidditch World Cup.
Let's blow all our money on butterbeer and chocolate frogs off the trolley.
No, Harry. Come on now. You must act responsibly. We should invest our money in case we need funds for our fight against Voldemort.
Fine. Well, I know, let's go to Gringotts on our way through Diagon Alley.
Finally, you have a good idea. Let's go to Gringotts. Hello, I'm Hermione.
Oh, nice to meet you.
And I'm Harry Potter.
I've heard of you.
So, we're looking to invest a large sum of money.
Yes, we have 10,000 galleons that we won on our bet in the Quidditch World Cup. Bulgaria won.
Oh, wow. I recommend you invest your sum in an account that is continuously compounded.
What do you mean compounded continuously? Do you know what that means, Harry?
No, what is continuously compounded?
Well, it is basically where you accrue a continuous amount of interest based on the sum that you put in or currently have throughout years and years.
Okay, so what is the current interest rate?
Well, let me check. It's about 5%.
What? 5%?
So, how would our sum be compounded continuously, this 10,000 galleons, for 7 years with that interest rate of 5%?
Well, it's simply expressed in an equation called PERT.
PERT?
What is PERT?
Yeah, what is PERT?
Oh my gosh, I have to explain it to you too. What is this? I've never seen this before.
David is boss? I agree.
Great.
So I was explaining what PERT is. So this is known as PERT. This is the amount you have at time t. This is your initial amount. This is your interest rate, which has to be expressed in a decimal format. And this is time. For our purposes, it will be in years. Now, what are your amounts again?
Our initial amount would be 10,000 galleons. Right, Harry?
Of course, 10,000. A big win.
And then your rate?
You said 5%, right?
That is
In a
correct.
decimal format?
That is correct. And for how many years?
7, correct, Harry?
Yeah, 7 years. The most magical number, after all.
That is true. Okay, so if we plug this into the equation, we will have this. Now, my professor, many years ago, told me never to use a calculator. But in this case, we kind of have to. And this
What was
is-
your professor's name?
It was Mr. David. Mr. David. He always wanted to be called David.
So, P of 7 equals 10,000 times e to the 0.05 times 7. Let me just calculate that. So, it comes out to 14,191 galleons.
It took you forever. I already had it.
How did you have it so fast?
Hermione, it doesn't matter. That's
If
a
you know
lot
the
of
method, then you don't need that fancy contraption.
money. That's
You-
a lot of money.
You mean you didn't memorize that?
No, I just know the method. That's it. That's all you know.
That's so fascinating.
No, we have a lot of money.
You should
14
listen to your friend. He has a good mind.
Okay, so we'd like to make yearly withdrawals for future Quidditch bets.
A small yearly withdrawal, Harry.
Fine, Hermione. What if about like 100 gallons?
100 gallons, I'll agree to that.
So you want to withdraw from your savings account at a rate of 100 gallons per year?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So if you withdraw at a rate of 100 gallons per year, let's call that N, and you have an initial amount of 10,000 gallons at a rate of 5% for 7 years, or for T amount of years. You do know the annuity equation, correct?
I'm not familiar with the annuity equation, Harry. Are you?
No, what's the annuity equation?
These youngsters today. What is this? Again? So this is the annuity equation.
So that's the annuity equation.
Alright. So this is the amount you have at time t. This is your withdrawal rate.
100 gallons per year.
Yeah. This is the rate at which was, I believe, 5%, which has to be expressed,
In fraction form.
yeah, as a decimal.
Interest rate.
This is the rate as well, and this is the time.
In years?
Correct.
So what is C?
C is a constant we have to figure out. Now, what was your initial amount?
10,000 gallons.
Okay. So if we have at time 0, 10,000 gallons, and our withdrawal rate is what again?
100 gallons.
Per year.
And our time is 0, right?
Yes.
Correct.
So e to the 0 is 1, correct?
Correct.
So we have 10,000 gallons minus this fraction equals C.
Okay. Now,
This C is equal to 8,000. Correct?
So it's positive.
Yes, it's positive. So if we do a graphical representation of this, where this is B, this is B plus C, where B is N over R, you would see that it would increase indefinitely. And at this current withdrawal rate, you would not run out of money.
never run out of money.
Never.
Yes, exactly.
That's fantastic. Think of all the bets we can make.
Think of all the butterbeer.
And chocolate frogs too.
Oh, but wait. I have to finish writing my analysis book and studying for my Wizards 31B final.
Oh, and you still want to get that 3%, right?
No, Harry. Remember, Professor, 5% for Gryffindor.
Okay, so the annuity equation is this.
I thought they were a magic mark. Shut the door, shut the door.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Action.